All right, so next we are going to take a look at our syllabus. This is AP United States History. School year is 2020, 2021. I am Mr. Barry D. Williams. My email is bwilliams@lk12.org, and you guys should be able to read along with me here. All right, so and here you see a quick overview of the course. This is Advanced Placement United States History, and this is a comprehensive course that covers U.S. history from the time of the earliest settlers in North America to the early 21st century. Some of you guys have already taken the first half of uh, U.S. history, but once again, I will reiterate that this is an advanced placement course, and this course here gives you the opportunity to survey pretty much the entire landscape of United States history. It will illuminate connections between our lives and those of our ancestors faced during their unique experiences in American history. All right, so once again, I will reiterate that this course will cover a large time period. It will cover from prehistoric times all the way up until the 21st century. And just a few class goals. You see the class goals listed here. It will allow students to have a general understanding of the history of our past and to gain knowledge to become active and knowledgeable citizens and to prepare students for their future. So a lot of times in this class, we will use this class to pretty much tie in uh, events that took place in earlier days. We will bring those events up to today. All right, and also this will be a blended learning class. It will be a mix of in-person and online instruction. Due to the pandemic, we will rely heavily on technology in this class. All right, assessment of student work. You can read that at your leisure. You can see grades, participation points, homework, and formative assessments. We use quizzes, projects, and essays as assessments. And also, you will see progress monitoring throughout the school year. There will be progress monitoring exams. This is to help the students gauge what they have learned and what topics need to be remediated. If you have any questions or concerns about anything that you see within this syllabus or this framework, please do not hesitate to contact me. Now, let's talk about makeup work. No late work or homework or class assignments will be accepted. No exceptions. Alternate assignments may be issued at my discretion. All right, so if you have a doctor's excuse or something big came up, that's fine. Just give me a doctor's excuse or doctor note in order to be able to make that assignment up. You will have 3 days to make up any missing assignments pending a doctor's excuse. And you see there are excused absences, unexcused absences that correlates with the school policy. All right, so and here you will just see some things about student remediation and extra assistance, classroom expectations of a successful student. You can read these at your leisure. I'm not sure how much we will be in the classroom, but you have verbal warning, parent contact, teacher detention. So the first offense will be verbal. Second one will be parent contact. Third one will be some form of detention. And fourth one will be student behavior, a plan, seat reassignment, and the last and final step will be administrative referral. And so we'll just talk about required material. Make sure you bring all material to class and come ready to work. All right, so and this will be uploaded um, onto your week one folder, so you can look at this at your leisure. I just gave you a brief overview um, of of what's taking place or what is going to take place within this classwork.